UI design tips I wish someone told me when I just started out. Number 1. Text overlays with gradient fills. Create text with a gradient fill for a dynamic, eye-catching look, especially for headings or key phrases. Just create a simple text box, then select the text and go to the fill section in the right panel. Choose linear, radial or any other gradient type for the text color, adjusting the gradient stops and direction for a custom look. And check out this complete video up here on making this complete UI. Number 2. Hand-drawn or sketchy elements. Give your UI design a quirky handmade feel by using hand-drawn icons or sketchy lines. This style works well for playful or creative interfaces, and also you can make these icons multicolored and reduce and vary their opacities for some more fun. Just use Figma's pen tool to draw your own icons, or use a plugin like Iconify or the 600 hand-drawn icons community template by Streamline for a collection of handmade sketch-like icons which are super cute. To see how I made this complete UI, just click up here in the cards. And finally, number 3. Morphing shapes and icons. Morphing shapes or icons morph from one form to another, creating smooth and unique transitions. This effect works great for animations in interactive prototypes or micro interactions. To execute this in Figma, simply create 2 or more different shapes or icons. In the prototyping mode, use Smart Animate to link the shapes between frames, making sure they're all renamed the same. Adjust the transition and animation timings to create a smooth morphing effect between different shapes and icons, and I will see you in the next video. All right, love you, bye.